So you've gone to your lender and they've given you a pre-approval letter. What is the pre-approval? You want to have this before you start looking at homes and start putting offers. A pre-approval will tell you what your budget is. Now, it's still not set in stone because the lender can still pull it at the last hour. This is why contingencies are so important. Make sure you have contingencies in your contract when you go to buy a home. A pre-approval is different than a pre-qualification. A pre-qualification isn't as stringent. The lender hasn't asked for as much information. It's a really high-level look at your situation and what you may potentially qualify for, but it's still very loose. I wouldn't trust a pre-qualification. A pre-approval is a lot more stringent. Your lender has dove deeply into your situation. They know everything about you, and so it's getting quite close. Once you've got a pre-approval, it is pretty well assured that you'll get that loan, as long as you don't do anything silly like buy a car and get a car loan, rack up credit cards, or go change your job, for example. Stay on track. Don't change things too much from the information you've given the lender for that pre-approval. Don't mess with it. It's really important to hold on to what information you gave to that lender and keep it consistent all the way until closing dates. If you found this helpful, or you know this may be helpful for somebody, please forward on and watch the other terms I'll be posting in the coming days. For more bite-sized content, follow and watch my other videos.